what I wanted. Are you serious? It just broke my rod. This dude straight up just broke my rod. Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, on the water today out at Lynnhaven Inlet. I haven't been here in a while and really fished it thoroughly, so I'm going to spend the day out here today in my kayak, explore around, see what I can find that's biting. So, wish me luck. Alright, we'll give these pilings a good try. I mean, there are definitely fish all around these pilings. Alright y'all, switched out to a much smaller bottom sweeper. See if that makes any difference. Maybe. As before. Yeah, that's a good one. Gotcha. Perfect eating size sheep snake right there. Trying to fin me. Yeah, start the day off good. There we go. That piling, get away from that piling. Get away. Gotcha. Yeah, they're definitely here. Yeah, not a good one. Yeah. Got a good one there. Ah, and the jig fell right out. Look at that. Ooh, I don't get that gill in my foot. 18 and a half, 19. Wrong with that. Number 2. A nice one. Alright, get away. Yep, they're definitely here. Another nice one. One in the bag. None of them fins. Alright, y'all, it's pretty much not much to it. Just smallest, bottom sweeper or jig you can get away with. Smaller the better. So nice old fiddler crab on it. Just slowly work it down these pilings. They're here. They're just a little more spooky because they're smaller ones. Since I can't do my 5 foot at a time drop thing, I pretty much just flip my reel into reverse so I can just ease it down like that. Current's rolling in pretty good. Let's get right in that pocket there in that piling. Right up in there. Hide from the current, that's where the fish are. Slowly ease it down in reverse. Just be sure to hang on to the handle when you set the hook. Today they're about halfway down, it seems, probably about 15 feet, 10 to 15 feet. Yep, we'll go. Right here. That's a small one there, though. Alright. Oh, yeah. No way. Man, he took my jig. I was gonna let him go anyway. He's too small. They stole my jig.
Use your net.
Alright, y'all, fresh new jig since my dumb tail lost in the last one. About to lose him. Jesus. Definitely ain't the biggest one, but it's perfect for eating. Well, folks, I think I'm gonna mess around and chill in the calm areas for a while. The tide and current took a beating on me over there. See if maybe I can catch some flounders, puppies, something out here. A bit windy. Oh, there we go. What is that? Oh, look at there. It's a nice little flounder. I think it's a keeper. I don't know if I don't keep them though, it's kind of small. It's 16 and a half. Ooh, something picked it up. I was trying to untangle it. What the heck is that? Oh, a trout. Well, holy crap. Oh, a nice little trout too. I believe that's a keeper. Huh. Dang. Alright, folks, got my net out here. I'm gonna try to catch me some big old minnows. See if by chance I can get me a nice big old red today as well. Saw some over here in these shallows. I'm gonna sneak up on them by chance. There we go. All right, got me some fish. Really have I will keep them in. Keep them in my foot well. I'll keep the head down in that water now. Stay alive for me. You'll be good. That's hilarious. Alright. And alright, folks, here we are back. Let's see if we can catch us a big old red for this current, which is already ripping actually. Solid. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted. Oh, are you serious? It just broke my rod. Let's see. Straight up just broke my rod. And it's tail. Ah, Jesus. No, he didn't. You gotta be kidding me. Well, dang it, y'all, look what that fish did to my rod. That's one of my favorite tsunami rods, too. It broke the thing right off. Oh, well, I'm gonna use a little stubby. That's the heaviest thing I got with me, unless I go back to my truck. I'll catch one of these daggum things there on it. Break my rod. And blue crap. I can believe that.